Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Russell on a very strong price action rejection off of these highs. So the Russell attempted to push higher here above this high, and when it broke above it, it looked like it was going all right, and then immediately pushed hugely up and then dumped right back down again. So this rejection of these highs here, we're looking to play this move. So what I'm looking to do is I'm actually looking to take this move right back down again for about an ABC move. So AB equals CD on the way down. So I'm going to place my order ahead of time here. Now, the size of this move only really allows us to take one contract trade on this. We're looking at a relatively large stop here. So I do need to be a little bit cautious of that. So we'll place our order here, looking to get short at 1117.5. The stop is going to have to go above this 21.9, so 22 is where our stop has to go. This is a larger stop. Now we are looking for a one-to-one move on this, so I'll draw from the highs to the lows and just drag this right down. We're looking at a target here of 1113.1. So we'll place the order right there at 1113.1. So that's going to be our target area on the downside here. Now, this is a one-to-one move, and as we fall down from here, I will be trailing my stop along with this move. I'm not going to give it a huge amount of opportunity to go against me. That's the last thing I want to have is a full stop on this. That's definitely not going to happen in a trade this large. What we will do, though, as we start to form on the way down here, we're going to just lock our stop in on these moves down. All the way down to our target down here at 1113.1. So we're looking at a target. It won't even let me draw my thing down that far. Let me adjust my drawing tool here real quick. So we're looking at our target from 17.4 down to 13.1, looking at a 43 tick target, which means our stop being one tick above is a 44 tick stop. That's why we can only take one contract on this trade. Now, again, this might be a trade where if your account size isn't big enough, you might not be able to hop in on this one. This is a little bit more, I won't say aggressive, just it's a larger move. So we are looking for a one-to-one trade down here at 1113.1 for 43 ticks, and we will be locking our stop in on the way down. Now, this trade will take some time. We're on a 5-minute chart. Price action trades usually take, the 15, 20, 30 minutes to actually fully operate. So because we know that's going to take a little bit of time, we will be back in a little bit. And again, as this starts to form, we're just going to be dropping our stop along with this move here. So we'll be back in probably 20 or 30 minutes or so, and then we'll see how the trade ends up. So we'll be back in a little bit. All right, folks, we're back. We're edging in on our target here. We've got our stop locked in at 1118.1, so we're really only risking 7 ticks now on this move. We moved it on top of, if you look right here, we had a very minor double top that triggered right here. So our stop is actually right above that. So now we're risking about 7 ticks or so, looking for still the same profit target down here at 13.1 for 43 ticks, getting ever so closer now. Now, once we get close enough here, usually around these one-to-one areas, you're going to get a quick little wick and then it'll bounce out. So if we see that, since we only got about a minute and a half in this candle, if it doesn't wick down and fill us, if this candle does close, we're just going to take it wherever it decides to bounce out at. Again, our risk reward now, especially now that we're only risking 7 ticks, we're 5, 6 to 1. The initial risk was 1 to 1 for our reward. So coming into about a minute and a half here, we should see a little bit more of a push down as we near into this 1 to 1. Looking for 13.1. There we go, perfect. So we just filled that at 13.1 for 43 ticks on the trade. So gorgeous trade on this price action reversal. It's unfortunate that it was too big to take more than just one contract, but still $430 in 5, 10, 15 minutes or so. Definitely nothing to get upset about. So really strong rejection on the Russell here, and that's going to be the trade for today. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade, and don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. Have a good one. Bye.